Welcome back to my channel Joy of Risk Target One Wave. Last week was a fantastic week, as I'll just show you shortly what has happened last week and what moves we have captured. Okay, so first of all, let us start with DXY. Last week I said market will be going down exactly to a level where we have set here. You see, this was the level marked from the last week, and exactly it has done. I'll just show you the proof last week. This was the last week's video. As you can see, Joy of Risk fight 7 days ago. Okay, and it was, this date is from 27 to 04. And if you see here, the last week's forecast in DXY that I have said is it will be going down and it will be going up, as per the arrow mark showed in this trading view. And over here in the YouTube, if you see, this was the last week's forecast that I was saying. It was going up, then it will be going down, then it will be up. And what market has done, see here, exactly the market did the same thing. This was on April 25th, and right now you just see what is the today's date. It is May 5th. Sorry, Saturday, May 3, right? May 3 the market has closed. So see, exactly market came down and it went up. So if you have traded this move, you could have made a good profit. If you have traded this move, you had a very good profit. So just see how you can make use of this video analysis that every week I do here. Okay, so let me just go ahead for the next week. What's coming for DXY? Let me just shift this right now. See, the analysis which we are giving is most important here, which will help you to reduce your risk and increase your profits. If you want to reduce your risk and increase your profit, and to make money or to invest in something which is big asset for your lifetime, then you should keep watching our videos, because this will have a lot of impact on your overall career. Okay, so right now what we expect is, since market is break-in, so market is in the middle. Now what I expect is market can break. Still, market has a possibility of breaking this one. Market can come down small and one more push down, breaking this top. Breaking this top is possible. That is what I expect. So this is what the next week move. But because right now the market is in middle, but I can see two structures as far as now. Market can break this. Market can break this, if at all, if after going up. But if at all it comes to this area, okay, between breaking this top, then I'll be looking for my sell states and for the little more longer term, if at all it is like. But in the other case scenario, market did break this, but breaking this top is for sure. Okay, breaking this top is for sure, but whether it will break this and go down, or it will directly go down without breaking down, that is a concern here. Okay, so I expect what market should be doing is of this setup. As you can see, let me change the color for you, and let me change it to a required template here. Okay, not daily. Oops, sorry. Let me change. This is for 4 hour template, right? Yeah, 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour it is green. Okay, now if you see, this will be going up. This is what I have said here in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so I hope DXY makes sense here, and with the fundamentals that also has been come. In the upcoming months, we have something good news for you that we'll be sharing to you. Stay tuned for that. Okay, next, EURUSD. EURUSD, let us see what last week market I have said, and let us see what market has done. Okay, last week I said market will be going up, and after that it will be coming down. Let us see the forecast also, if at all possible, that whether it is possible to see here. Last week I said, as it is opposite to DXY, I said market will be doing the opposite way of DXY, and I have shown you the directions also. So if you have traded DXY, then you should have traded EURUSD also, and made another I think 3 to 4%, or maybe 6%, I can say that. Let me show you last week what we have shared here. Yeah, see, this is what we said. This is EURUSD last week, 7 days ago. Okay, and we said market will be going up and after that it will be falling. Let me show you now what market has done. Exactly the same thing. Even the blue line still remains on 25th April, it remains, and this is also 25th April 10:30. I think this is also 10:30. Yeah, this is also 10:30. So everything has not changed, nothing, and exactly what market did, exactly what we said the market has did here. See, it is not every time market will do as per our analysis or something like that, but it can also change. The thing that we are giving is maximum possibility trade or possibility chance, whether it can go in which direction and how you can take your advantage of so that you can minimize your risk. So you see, every person, every investor, every person will be thinking of to reducing the risk, correct? So if you reduce the risk, then you are a pro player or a professional player. Okay, in that case, start reducing those risk and have a good strategy and trade accordingly. If you want to make a good strategy, then come to us, we will train you for a good strategy at a cost, small fees. Okay, sorry. So Euro USD, let me see. Let me show you next what is the next forecast here. Let me delete this for you, and let me go to change this over here. Okay, now what we expect is, since the market seems to be a consolidation, I expect market to push up. This is what I can see here. Oops, sorry. I can see the market pushing up. This is what I can see. But in DXY, I can see two structures which can be possible. But in Euro USD, like what I can say is market even breaking once more also possible. Breaking once more, going down, breaking this, then after that going up. So there are two possibilities that I can see as per the DXY and as per the Euro USD. So let us see which structures has been confirmed here. But as far as I know, that market will be going up. That's it. Let me just show you in this way. Maybe that would make a better sense, whether market will go from here or whether the market will go from down from here. That's it. This is the trade that you should be looking for the Euro USD in the next coming few weeks. Okay. Let me just change this to template 4 hours so that it will be visible for me. It will be good. And let me go to GBP USD. GBP USD, what has happened here? You just have a look here, will understand. Okay, so GBP USD, we said market will be going up, but we didn't expect this much big move. But absolutely, it is a good move. After that, it started to fall. See, one big impulse and another one big impulse. So with this, another you can make 4 to 5% in one move, and another 4 to 5%, 8%. If you have consolidated all the three pairs which you had traded, then you can make around 20 to 25% in just 3 trades. Correct? So this is crazy. So this is something which is abnormal. Most of the traders do not see or do not tell you what's going on in the market with the fundamentals and technicals involved, plus the direction and high probability directions. They'll just say using technical these things, but we understand, we research from our end and before giving to you. That is what we see over here, because we should also not lose your money, our money, and all our customers' money, and our clients' money. That's our goal. Okay, so money is not something that it just comes like that and goes. It is well hard earned money. So we should protect how much we can to our extents. Okay, so for the good, and I hope you have made a good move here, and our members are also going good progress, making good strategies with us, and they are implementing on the real-time charts, so that they are also making a good profits over here. Okay, and now let us just change this over here, and let me see what has the last next week. Okay, GBP USD also same thing. All USD pairs are giving me a mixed signal whether it can do anything it wants. But right now I'll be expecting one push up can be possible and one down move. This can be a possible trade that I can see in GBP USD. Okay, let me change this to 4 hour. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at for the next thing, whether it will be stopping over this level or it will be stopped. See, whatever I say and whatever the level which I mark here without marking the zones, it's crucial that you respect or you have an alert over that levels and see what market does over there. Okay, that is what I mean to say here. Okay, so this is GBP/USD, and I think I have not shown you to GBP/USD last forecast. Let me show you the last forecast also of last week. This is last week's video. Let me show you. See, it's important. See, no other traders will compare the last week's video and this week's video. What has gone wrong, what has gone right. This is what we do in every weekly basis for our even pro members and as well as family members. So, and they also are being benefited with new strategies. They come up research areas, which part to research, and all these things, and what to be mastered, what to be not mastered, how to have a analyze the reports. All these things we'll be teaching on that thing. So if you like to join, comment on the box. We'll let you know, because we are developing something for you to automatically generate everything for you. Okay. Okay, so here if you see GB, this was the last week's forecast which I explained in that video. Let me go and see the last week's analysis here, that you will understand here about GBP/USD. I think it is quite loading. I think my network is quite lagging, shayad. Okay, it has went for the next move. New Zealand USD. Let me see. I think this is quite wasting our time. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood this scenario here. Let me go to New Zealand USD in the meanwhile. Okay, see New Zealand USD, the white arrow indicates the last week analysis. Okay, last week analysis we said market will be consolidating. Exactly, market did the same thing. Consolidated and came down. See, after consolidation, if you had entered at this point, seeing the engulfing pattern or any kind of pattern as per your trend line pattern, then you could have made a lot of money. Let me show you some example for you here, so that you will have something. You assume that you enter here keeping a stop loss just above this and aiming for the arrow mark which I have given. See here, this trade is about 3 to 1, but again it has come to our entry point and it started to push up. It came to nearly about this level, right? 2 times it has tapped, that is equal to 1.2:3. See, and after that it went up. So that's fine. Anyway, you should be taking a half of the profit, but in the group we will be saying all these things, how to take profit at which side and which level, all these things. So you do not worry about that, but how to take advantage of this, that is what I mean to say. I hope you are taking this advantage and this video is helping you. Right now let me change the analysis for you. Okay, right now it's see, if you see this trend, let me say some technical for you. If you just follow this trend line, you'll understand something. You had a trend line, now it has broken and it is giving you a kind of retest, but since again it can also fall here. This is also one probability that you can see again fall, or you can just break, still more consolidate or more push up. So there are 2 possibilities that we can see. One is to market fall. This is also one possibility that we see. But DXY, if DXY changes its structure to second scenario, in that case we expect market to push up, go up and go up. This is what we'll be expecting. But let me see what scenario plays first. Okay. But right now high probability chances we are just getting respected to this level, so I'll be ensuring that we place in this level here. Okay. So this is what we'll be expecting. Let me delete this. Yeah. Now let us see for the AUD/USD. For AUD/USD, let's see what last week we have said, and according to that we will react here. Okay, last week we said market will be falling. Instead of market falling, market did a consolidation, taking the top again and one more breaking the top twice. Okay, so I think we have taken a loss here. So that's fine. Taking one loss is more sufficient, right? Like we have made quite 25% from last to 3 trades. and with that, just one loss is 24%. That's nothing to us. So it's very good that we are also making loss. I'll be happy. We will be learning and we'll be analyzing the losses also here, and we'll see what has gone wrong, and we know the reason why it has gone wrong. Okay, okay. Right now, if you see AURUSD, it's just consolidating in this box, in this zone. Correct? This is the zone that it's consolidating. So I feel maybe in the next coming weeks also, I expect market to consolidate, and if at all, if the market goes up, maybe taking the liquidity down and it will go up. So I expect the moment which I anticipate is market has taken the liquidity up, so market will be taking the liquidity down, then it will be going up. This is what I'll be expecting. But in the case of scenario 2, okay, the market can consolidate inside this box. So whenever market comes to this area, you can go for sells, maybe scalping trades as a support and resistance concept. Okay, this is what I'll be looking at for the next coming weeks in the AUD/USD. Okay, next USD/JPY. Next USD/JPY, if you see, let's see what last week I have said, then it will be crazy for you. See, we will not make 100% profits. See, we also make losses, and but profit, the losses which we make is very minimal. Okay, and the profit which make is huge. See, let me show you the video if at all possible for you. To USD/JPY, then you will understand the effective move that we have said here on USD/JPY. Okay, let it load. Meantime, I'll go and show you this. See here, last week we said the white arrow. We said exactly from this level market will be going up, and you see the effect here. You just go and see the last week analysis, then you will understand. The last week's analysis, we said market will be going up, and exactly market went to that level. After that, it started to react. That is the power of analysis. That is what we are doing, a hell lot of research for you. So I think we deserve a thumbs up for that, which the efforts which our team puts for you. Okay, so let me show. Still it is loading quite. I'm not sure why network is so bad here right now. Okay, fine. So this is what we are saying, that see the white arrow. You are able to see the white arrow. See the last week's analysis, you will understand. You think with this move how much you can move? Just quite few hours. I mean, for 4 hours, maybe 1 or 2 days, you can just get in, get out. That's it. Making a good number of profit. 1:3, 1:4, get out. So that from 24% to another 4% is 25%. Sorry, 28%. Making in 1 week 28%, is that insane for you? Or still, if you want to make more, then join our community. We'll absolutely do great over there. Okay. I think this is USD/JPY. I think USD/JPY is here. Yeah, or this area. Okay, let it load, not an issue. So this is what we expect in the last week we expected last week, and exactly market did the same thing. I expect market should come down and started to push up. From that level it started to push up. Great, right? Okay, so let me delete this right now, or let me keep till that video loads here. Okay, right now I expect market to go up and retest this area again once more. At least retesting this area can be a possible potential move that I see in the next coming weeks. Okay, whether a consolidation or a push up or directly push up can be possible. Okay, fine. This is the move that we are expecting in the upcoming weeks. USD/JPY to the up move. Okay, let me delete this and go to USD/CHF. Yeah, USD/CHF also was a great move. Let it load because my network is lagging. I'm not sure. Let me just I have spoken to a network provider also. It is not quite good. I have to change my networks. Fine. Now if you see here, we said last week market was here at this point. We said market will be going down, and after that it will be pushing up. Market came down as expected. You see from this level it came down. Let me show you. From this level it came down. to level which we marked, and after that it started to go up to a level which breaking the top, correct? Anyway, we expected to more to push up, but anyway, it has just seems to be consolidation. So one more push down is possible, then push up is possible. That's what we expect here in the next coming week. Let me just do it for you again. Let me delete this. Since I said dollar will be doing a mixed move here, so we anticipate market to push down, one more breaking this top and going up. This can be a possible move that we see in the upcoming weeks. See, every two move which I give you in the free channel, please get utilized and make profits and share your profits in the comment sections. Okay, this is what we expect in the USDCF in the next week. If you want to see the last week's video will be in our channel. Go and see the last week's video, which is 7 days ago. And gold was also crazy, I can say that. See, we said market will be going to be taking the top, and after that this will be stalling. Instead of that, market did not take the top, it just went a small pushback up, and after that it started to fall. Anyway, this pushback up did not go to required level, but the fall that we are expecting that went way beyond, correct? So with that move also you can make a lot of profits here. Our traders have taken a profit from this level, entering that, anticipating that it can go from this level also. So that was also crazy move that our traders are making a good analysis for the movements in the gold also. So I'm happy for that, and good. Many people have taken the trade here. I'm happy. So I hope if you have also made the profits in gold and other members, comment in the section and let me know. I'll be more happy to do this. Okay, right now what we anticipate is in gold, since we have two moves, anticipated moves in DXY, so we expect gold as a safe haven to break again 3080 level. That is what I'm still on bullish here, looking for my buy at least to minimum to which level I'll say this is one level that I can say, but minimum to this level 3100 again to this level. Okay, at least to this level that market should break before it goes to down. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of gold here. There are two things. One is market going up, the first level. Second level is market going to this level. This is the two things that I see in the gold market. So let us see what does the market do in the upcoming weeks. Okay, and let me change this to 4 hours so that for me it will be useful for our research purpose. Okay, Nifty 50, I said as per the technical, market will be retesting this area and it will be pushing up, and yeah, it has pushed up but not to that good. I'll say it is not a good move that we expected here, but fine, it's just consolidating. Maybe I'll show you in a bit. Just a second. Yeah, so if you see here, this is a trend line that we have drawn, and we said market will be retesting this area, and after that it will start going up. That is what market has done, but right now it seems like market is just consolidating. So I expect still the consolidation is not over, so I expect still the market to be getting consolidated at this level. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting in the upcoming days in the Nifty 50. Quite a pass, I can say, quite a pass for few days. Okay, so next come BTC USD. See what BTC was also crazy move that we anticipated, and exactly the market did the same thing. Let me show you. And the first move which we anticipated is market pushing down from this level. I hope you remember this level pushing down, correct? Let me show you that level also. The arrow mark which I am going to draw from this level, we anticipated market breaking this top, and exactly market did the same thing. If you see the previous videos, you will understand how much big move is this, correct? And the second thing is we anticipated market to push down, breaking the low and breaking this low eventually, but market did not break that low eventually. It just gave me a small low, this kind of low, and started to push up. See, one more push up from here to here. So this is what last week the market did, but it did not come to this level. But fine, you could also, one move was little half, I can say another move was also half, but the momentum which I see in BTC USD is low. That is what the problem here is. and we can see some fundamentals affecting here because of Trump, and that will be shared in our group. Okay, so for this week we anticipate what BTC to be doing. We anticipate BTC to be doing is to be crawling up and down, just like this, crawling, breaking the top, breaking, coming down, breaking. This is what we are seeing, crawling. It will be a messy move. Now it's better you to enjoy your profit, and take out your profits in BTC, and just enjoy your profit. That is what I recommend doing in BTC, because still it's messy. Let me have a clear structure or clear analysis or a clear research part here. What will be the next huge move in BTC? Okay. With this, I'll conclude my free channel analysis, and I'll go for my paid channel analysis. There you will get all the advanced levels, from which level you should see, what are the possible levels that market can react, and where it will be heading to next level, and which pairs are the best pairs right now to trade. As you see, we have in our out of 6-7 pairs, I mean 6 to 7 8 pairs, in our most of the pairs, like 5 to 6 pairs are profitable. Okay, I hope you understand this thing, because this is the work we do for you, and we have more plans in the upcoming futures also. Fine. With this, I like to conclude my weekly free analysis. Thank you. Have a great week. Bye bye.